Pumps are everywhere, working quietly behind the scenes to move water, chemicals, and fuel in our homes, factories, and vehicles. From the tap in your kitchen to the massive machines in industrial plants, pumps are essential for keeping our modern world running smoothly. They're the unsung heroes of plumbing, manufacturing, and transportation, making sure fluids get where they need to go, safely and efficiently. But when a pump starts to leak, it's not just a minor inconvenience. It's a clear warning sign that something is wrong. Leaks are often the first visible symptom of a deeper problem inside the pump, and ignoring them can have serious consequences. If you ignore a leak, what starts as a small drip can quickly escalate into a major failure. That minor issue can spiral into a costly disaster, flooding workspaces, damaging equipment, and even halting production lines. Leaks don't just waste valuable resources, they can create dangerous safety hazards for workers and the public. In some cases, leaking pumps can cause environmental damage, contaminating soil and water, and leading to expensive cleanup efforts. Even at home, a leaking pump can mean thousands of dollars in repairs, ruined property, and a lot of stress. A small leak in a basement sump pump, for example, can lead to flooding and mold growth if not addressed quickly. The right approach isn't to just patch up the leak and hope for the best. Instead, it's crucial to fix the problem properly, addressing the root cause so it doesn't come back. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to tackle a leaking pump safely and effectively, whether you're dealing with a small home unit or a large industrial system. We'll explain why pumps leak, how to prepare for repairs, and the step-by-step process to fix them the right way. You'll learn what tools and parts you need, and how to spot signs of trouble before they get worse. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, you'll discover the essential steps to achieve a lasting, reliable fix that keeps your systems running. Don't settle for quick fixes or temporary patches. Understand the root cause of the leak and address it thoroughly to prevent future problems. By the end of this guide, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to fix leaks and keep your pumps, and everything they support, running smoothly and safely. Let's dive in and get started. Why do pumps leak? It's a question that comes up often in industrial settings, workshops, and even in home systems. Understanding the reasons behind pump leaks is crucial for anyone who wants to keep their equipment running smoothly and avoid costly downtime. Most often, leaks are caused by worn-out seals. These seals are designed to keep fluids contained, but over time they can degrade due to friction, heat, or exposure to harsh chemicals. The spinning shaft inside the pump needs a tight, reliable seal to prevent leaks. When that seal wears out or fails, even a tiny gap can let fluids escape, leading to visible leaks and potential equipment damage. Gaskets and O-rings, which sit between various pump parts, can also wear out, become brittle, or get damaged over time. This is especially true if the pump is exposed to high temperatures or aggressive chemicals. Never reuse old gaskets or O-rings. Always install new ones during maintenance or repairs, as reusing them can lead to immediate leaks and further complications. Cracks in the pump casing, often caused by excessive vibration, accidental impacts, or manufacturing defects, are another common culprit. Even a small fracture can allow fluid to seep out. Corrosion is a silent enemy. When pumps handle harsh or corrosive fluids, the metal casing can slowly be eaten away, eventually creating holes or weak spots that leak. Poor alignment between the pump and its motor puts extra stress on seals and bearings. This misalignment can cause premature wear, leading to leaks and even catastrophic failure if left unchecked. Running a pump dry without any fluid can destroy seals in seconds. The lack of lubrication causes rapid overheating and damage, making leaks almost inevitable. The good news is these issues aren't just bad luck. Most pump leaks are preventable with proper installation, regular maintenance, and careful operation. Always inspect your pump for signs of wear, cracks, corrosion, and alignment issues. Early detection can save you from bigger problems down the line. Addressing these root causes rather than just patching up leaks ensures your pump stays leak-free and reliable for the long haul. Don't just fix the symptom. Take the time to identify and repair the true source of the leak, whether it's a worn seal, a cracked casing, or a misaligned shaft. That's how you make it right and keep your pumps running smoothly, efficiently, and leak-free for years to come. Safety comes first, always. Before you even think about starting any repair or maintenance work, make sure you're fully prepared to protect yourself and those around you. Taking a few extra minutes now can prevent serious injuries later. Always shut off power at the breaker and lock it out so no one can accidentally turn it back on while you're working. This is a critical step. Never skip it, even if you're in a hurry. Next, close the suction and discharge valves to completely isolate the pump from the system. This prevents any unexpected flow of liquid or pressure buildup that could cause harm. Carefully drain any remaining liquid from the pump. Use a bucket and go slow to avoid splashing or spills. Always wear the right PPE, safety glasses to protect your eyes, gloves to shield your hands, and a hard hat if there's any risk of falling objects or overhead hazards. It's better to be over-prepared than caught off guard. Make sure your work area is clean, dry, and well lit. Good lighting helps you see what you're doing and reduces the chance of mistakes. Clean up any spills before starting the repair. Slippery floors are a major cause of workplace accidents, so take the time to mop up and keep your area safe. Lay out a mat or cloth for parts as you remove them. This keeps everything organized and prevents small pieces from getting lost or dirty. Organization and safety at the start prevent accidents and mistakes. Double-check your tools and PPE before you begin. Don't rush, take your time to set up properly. A calm, methodical approach is the best way to avoid errors and injuries. Skipping safety steps is never worth the risk. Even experienced workers can get hurt if they cut corners. Protect yourself and your workspace by setting up safety barriers and making sure everyone nearby knows you're working. Now you're ready to get to work, confident, prepared, and safe. Remember, every safe job starts with the right setup. With safety handled, it's time to find the leak. Clean and dry the pump, then use powder or briefly repressurize to spot the source. Mark the leak location. Disconnect power and unbolt the pump from the system. Move it to a clean, well-lit bench. Take photos as you disassemble. These are your reassembly guide. Organize bolts and parts in order. Carefully open the casing and inspect seals, gaskets, and O-rings. Identify the failed part, don't just guess. Replace all wear parts, not just the broken one. Use a rebuild kit if possible. Clean all sealing surfaces thoroughly. Install new parts, lubricating seals and O-rings as specified. Reassemble methodically using your photos for reference. A careful repair now means no leaks later. Repair done? Now focus on prevention. Set up regular inspections. Look, listen, and feel for early warning signs. Check for vibration, heat, and strange noises. After any repair, always check pump and motor alignment with proper tools. Perfect alignment extends seal and bearing life. Replace seals and gaskets on a schedule, not just when they fail. Keep rebuild kits on hand for critical pumps. Train everyone to operate pumps correctly. Never run them dry or against closed valves. Good habits turn emergency repairs into routine maintenance. Share knowledge and build a culture of quality. Proactive care keeps your pumps reliable and leak-free. Prevention is always easier than another repair. Stay ahead of problems with smart maintenance. That's how you make your system last. You've learned the essentials, from causes to repair to prevention. The key is doing things right, not just fast. Take time to understand the problem and fix it with care. Stay organized, take photos, and follow each step. Every repair builds your skill and confidence. Preventative habits are as important as the repair itself. Share what you've learned. Strong systems come from teamwork. Don't ignore leaks or take shortcuts. Step up, take charge, and make it right. Each successful repair makes you better. Keep learning and striving for quality. When you commit to doing things right, you're building reliability and safety. Now go make it right.